Aku por waklat ke belenda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Ka Krsc rilang swimming club ha ka laipo trek ujemang arja punrio. Kala plepad ba ya ka Pung Jngi ban hikai Tbit ya ki hebred bat ya ki samla ki ba angnut ban Tbit shushu ya ladi. Kenang bagendo bla ban lit ya shementa ha ki lempung Yakob Jngi ki ban salong hapo ka jela bat syabar jong ka jela. Ya kani ka Pung hikai Jngi la pli do MLA ka Ranikor constituency uba Pius Marwen ubala long kumukongsan ya ka bala Shna lingba ka MDC scheme jong usnam arajar arpo arjar puwe ka bala mang pisah nyolak tingka.
Thank you, Ma. Pusta, shut up. Thank you, Ma.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.